A reading light is a small electric light that you use for reading, and you can usually move it to direct the light to where you need it for reading. Thus, if you're in need of one, then check out our new video to know more about some of the best in the business. The Ikea Jansjo comes with long-lasting, electricity-efficient LED lights, and their slim design means you can use them even where you don't have much space. It uses LEDs, which consume up to 80% less energy and last 20 times longer than incandescent bulbs. You can quickly direct the light where you want it because the lamp arm and head are both adjustable. Also, the energy-saving built-in LED light source provides 25,000 hours of light. The slim design allows you to place the light in small spaces quickly. The Lumiens L9 has multi-use, clip-on style and has a silicone pad that protects the grip surface against damage. It offers a 78-inch power cord and 3 AA batteries. Also, the optical grade lens provides evenly distributed light with no hotspots. It comes with 9 LED lights and 2 levels of brightness. With the help of one flexible arm, you can move the lamp wherever you want it to. Besides, it easily bends to a compact position for storage. You can clip it to almost everything, and it has a silicone pad that protects the grip surface against damage. The optical grade lens provides evenly distributed light with no hotspots and offers 20 hours of continuous use with 3 AA batteries. The Newhouse Lighting 3W comes with the highest quality energy-saving LEDs, providing efficient, non-flickering, natural, warm light for stress-free productivity and enjoyment. It offers a sleek, modern, adjustable, and flexible metal gooseneck, providing excellent light right where you want it. Also, it is equipped with an LED which produces 300 lumens and 3000 K bright, warm color light. With a sturdy clamp holding it in place, the flex clamp lamp provides bright, usable light right where you need it. Besides, the suction cup grip creates additional support for smoother surfaces, while you pull and bend the neck to cover any angle you may need. The Kedsum 7-watt black offers a 5 lighting mode and 5 levels of brightness that can meet your different needs. With memory function, can customize your lighting brightness by simple touch. It has a durable clip with 14.5-inch flexible neck made of high-quality material, durable for twist, and set the perfect direction and viewing for your needs. Also, it provides 5 touch-sensitive buttons which are easy to operate and set the perfect lighting for you. Besides, it is powered by a wall outlet. No worry about the battery replacement. The LED chip evenly distributed LED light. The LuminoLite Rechargeable comes with a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, making it a fully cordless reading lamp. It has a flexible and infinitely adjustable neck for ease of positioning your book reading light. It uses 4 bright LEDs and 2 brightness settings that allow you to set the desired light level. Also, it gives steady and evenly distributed light without hotspots or flickering. Besides, it is perfectly weightless for clipping on your book, creating a private reading space for you alone when your partner is sleeping next to you. Thus, it is ideal for nighttime reading in bed and travel. The Trond Halo offers a super bright, full-size clamp light with all the functionalities. It boasts of various color temperatures and light intensities, which can rarely be found on a regular desk lamp. Also, its flicker-free anti-glare light with the total flux of 1000 flux is perfect for reading, crafting, sewing, knitting, crocheting, painting, etc. With the help of 5 unique lighting modes and 5-level dimmer, thus it allows you to choose the right color temperature at different light intensities. Another unique specialty is that it offers an integrated memory function that remembers the previous settings from your last use. The Raniaco Clip comes with touch switch with 3 levels of adjustable brightness, and low setting is ideal as a nightlight, using without disturbing your bedmate. It has built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB interface design. Also, it comes with a clamp holder which can be opened at 2.36 inch and placed on your desk or fixed at the edge when you want to read. It saves you space, protects your eyes, and makes you create the feeling of trendiness. The indicator is red when it's charging and automatically goes off when the battery is fully charged. Besides, the smart touch sensor helps you get the right flow that does not affect your eyes. In at first place in the list of best reading lights, we have the Mighty Bright Extra Flex 2. It is an excellent all-purpose booklight, providing 10 lumens of brightness with a battery life of 72 hours. It is powered by AAA batteries or by AC adapter, with no need to remove the cells when using the adapter, and it is designed to be versatile. With its optical grade lens, the light is distributed evenly with no hot spots or harsh edges. It also has a strong grip clip and a flexible adjustable neck. It can be used freestanding on its broad base, and the secure padded clamp opens to 1.5 inches, making the Extra Flex perfect for camping. Also, it provides accurate color rendering and even light output. Colors appear more vibrant and precise, and with minimal optical distortion. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The bell icon is all yours if you want to get instant notifications.